Polkadot Vault Wallet app. The pros, the cons. Here's the surprising truth about the Polkadot Vault Wallet app. It's not a typical crypto wallet. It's an offline fortress built for serious security. If you're managing DOT or any substrate-based assets, this app could be your safest bet. But like any powerful tool, it comes with trade-offs. Let's start with the pros. The Polkadot Vault, developed by Parity Technologies, is an air-gapped wallet. That means it never connects to the internet. Instead, transactions are signed offline using codes, keeping your private keys completely isolated from digital threats. This level of security is ideal for long-term holders or institutions managing large amounts of DOT. You could literally store your keys on an old phone with no SIM card, no Wi-Fi, and no Bluetooth, turning it into a vault that's almost impossible to hack remotely. The app supports all major Polkadot and Cosma ecosystem assets, including staking, governance voting, and validator management. You can pair it with Polkadot is or Parity Signer to manage transactions safely, all while your keys remain offline. Now, for the cons. The biggest challenge with Polkadot Vault is convenience. Since it's offline, you need a separate connected device to scan and sign transactions. It's secure, yes, but not quick. For users who make frequent transactions or swaps, it can feel slow and technical. Another limitation is that it's designed primarily for the Polkadot ecosystem. If you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other blockchains, you need a different wallet. In short, the Polkadot Vault Wallet app is built for those who take crypto security seriously, not for casual traders. It prioritizes safety over speed, control over convenience. If your goal is to store DOT and participate securely in the network's governance without ever risking exposure to online attacks, this app delivers exactly what it promises. But if you want fast transactions and multi-chain access, you likely need a secondary wallet. At the end of the day, the Polkadot Vault isn't for everyone. It's for those who treat their crypto like treasure, not pocket change.